Okay, I got these pickups that I bought here. You can see that there. And what I did was I took a BNC connector and put it in this pill bottle cap, and I wired one of these up, and look at it, I'm just tapping that thing. I'm just tapping it. See that? See how sensitive that thing is? Alright, this makes a dandy transducer for if you gotta put it in something better than I'm putting it in this pill bottle. But you can see how I've got this little pickup here, and I got it connected to this BNC, and it's connected to my scope. And every little bump that I make on this thing, if you look, we'll let things start scrolling again. See that? See how sensitive that is? I'm just tapping it with the tip of my finger. Okay, so if I put it in here, I put it between this piece of paper, so it won't be quite so bad to knock around against the side. But you're going to have a better deal than what I've built here to make your. So now that I've got this in that jar, and I actually put this little fitting here, I can take my mouth if I can make that kind of impact, and I can set this on a lower setting whenever it goes across there. You can see how that would make you a really good transducer, can't you? It doesn't cost much. So that's a little something you can do to save money. Once again, you can buy these for nearly nothing on Amazon. You can see the part number there if you look carefully. And all right, that's about all I've got on that for this moment, and I'll be back.